Hi, this is Attorney Feng, immigration lawyer from New York City. Today, we're going to talk about how to bridge from OPT to H-1B. So fiscal year 2023 H-1B, the first round of lottery was just finished. Congratulate to those H-1B candidates who already selected, because this year, based on our firm's situation and a couple firms' H-1B lottery statistics, the rate to get a quota is even lower than last year. And many H-1B candidates are holding OPT status. How to bridge OPT to H-1B has a lot of tricks. There is a gap cap rule. This rule helps OPT bridge to H-1B successfully. So if your H-1B submission date is before OPT expiration date, you can take full benefit of the gap cap rule. That means your OPT will be extended automatically to October 1st, and you can continue stay in the US and you can continue working in the US. When H-1B is approved, you can bridge to H-1B automatically. This is the one condition that you can take full benefit of this rule, which is H-1B is submitted before your OPT expires. Partial benefit could be taken if your H-1B is submitted before the grace period, 60 days grace period runs out. So let's say if your H-1B could not be submitted before OPT expires, but at least your H-1B could be submitted within the 60 days grace period, you can take partial benefit of the gap cap rule by continuing legally stay in the US, but you are not allowed to work after OPT expires. So this is the partial benefit rule. But if your H-1B is submitted even after the 60-day grace period runs out, then there is no benefit you can take from the gap cap rule. That means you can either leave US or you have to have another non-immigrant status to cover your stay in the US if you decided to wait here. This is very inconvenient, especially during the pandemic when the traveling is not very easy. So make sure once you know you are selected by the first round, you have 90 days to submit your H-1B. Usually by June 20th is the deadline for you to submit your H-1B. If your OPT expires after June 20th, you can be relaxed a little bit because your lawyer will make sure your H-1B is submitted in the H-1B submission window. However, if your OPT expires before June 20th, let's say in May, you have to diligently remind your lawyer, let him know your H-1B needs to be submitted before OPT expiration date, so you can continue working and staying in the US. If unfortunately your OPT expires early April, then your lawyer should prepare your H-1B package even before the H-1B lottery. Make sure once you are selected, they got the package ready and the package can arrive USS on day 1, April 1st. Hope today's advice is helpful for you, and we wish everybody the best of luck to submit your H-1B and can successfully take a full benefit of the gap cap rule. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe.